Hi, it's Anne Louise. Today we are going to play It Had to Be You in the key of F. I'm going to play it through once and then explain a couple things and then I'll play it again. I'm going to switch my camera to my keyboard and I marked the C's just so you know. And here we go. Sounds like this. Let's make sure I'm recording. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so that's basically the song. I want to talk to you about this intro. This is a fun little lick. You can do it on any, we're in the key of F, right? So we're going to do it on the C chord for my introduction. And the lick is you're playing it on triads, okay? And this is the lick. It's kind of like a waterfall. I'm going to play it on a C chord. That's my introduction. Sounds like this. And I'm going into my song. Okay, to break it down, so the pattern is, my fingering is 3-5-3-1. Then I'm going to do it on this chord. Now, why am I playing a B flat? Because we're in the key of F. In the key of F, you always have a B flat. Okay? We're playing this, I call it a run. We're playing it on a C7 chord. And these are the triads I'm playing. And with that arpeggio device, sounds like this. And then I fall down there. Okay? That's my introduction. Then if you want to do a little bell tone, just hit an octave up there. So you have to know your melody. So what am I doing there? I'm just filling with that chord. The chord is a D7. So it's so what am I doing there? I'm on a G7 chord. I'm kind of doing this. I'm kind of doing this walk up with my left hand. Again, chord fills, chord tones. Again, this is that walk up. Now what am I I doing? My left hand is playing C, and what you want is a 10th. So I'm playing E in the right hand. Left hand is and that little turnaround was because I'm going to go through the song one more time. I'm playing F, D, G minor, which is 1-6-2-5. And then the only thing I'm doing, the other thing I wanted to just talk about was just to add some variety. The second time you play this song, you could do a walking bass. Walking bass. The simplest way to walk your bass is you have to cover your chord tones. So if I'm on an F chord, I want to play F, A, C, A, F. And you need 4 beats because you need 4 notes because you have 4 beats in this song. It's 4/4 times. So a simple thing would be playing the root, the third, and the fifth, and back to the third. That's 4 notes, 4 beats. And then I can go down an octave too. It sounds really good in the octave. So I think that's basically what I wanted to cover today. So we got your intro. And then you go into the song. And you're filling with the arpeggiated chords. So it's, that was an F chord. Some kind of combination there. And then the walk up, we walked up on the G chord. And we walked up on the C chord. And then your walking bass. of my favorite songs. I want to leave you with one more thing, and that is mistakes. When you're playing music, when you're playing jazz, when you're any kind of music, really, we all make mistakes. If you don't embrace the fact that you make mistakes, you're going to be a very frustrated player. And what's important to remember is how you recover from the mistake. The point is to keep going no matter what. Make it as musical as possible. I don't usually play the song in that key, and I made tons of mistakes today, but I kept going and I tried to just turn them into a positive, which can be a very important lesson as we go through life. So whatever mistake you make, just remember that the most important thing is that you recover from your mistakes. I hope this helped. Please give me your comments and I'll see if I can improve as we all need to improve. Thank you so much.